Hi! For today's video is how to use WhatsApp on an iPad. There is still no official WhatsApp application available in the App Store that will work on iPads. However, you can still use the network through the web interface. If you're not familiar with this online platform, don't worry, we've created for you an easy step-by-step guide that will help you get it all set up in a few minutes. So to use WhatsApp on an iPad, WhatsApp user who already used the app in their computer will find the guide below very familiar, as the platform used for iPad is the same. As mentioned, there is still no app available for iPad, meaning that the only way to use it is through an internet browser. So what you're gonna do is open Safari and go to web.whatsapp.com. With the latest versions of iPad OS, the desktop version of WhatsApp Web will automatically show up. With previous versions, you'll get an older homepage. Hold the refresh button until the option Load Desktop site. So you'll just need to follow the instructions. So on the main page, you'll find a QR code. Leave the page open and go to your phone that has WhatsApp installed. So to use WhatsApp on your iPad, open WhatsApp on your phone, then tap the three dots, then select Link Devices. Point on your phone to this screen to capture the code. So you need to scan the QR. Then the browser page should refresh and display all your WhatsApp activity. And just like that, you'll be able to start using WhatsApp on your iPad. You can create a shortcut to the app on your home screen to access WhatsApp quickly in the future. So, I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!